Đâu mà đi cùng bên này nghe. Ini Mbak.
Rokok nak. Rokok aku kacau lah budak.
Duduk.
Mari kacau pulang.
Ngecok dia kok.
Mana? Duduk kena ya ha. Oh kapal dia.
We helped Crook escape from us and he was wearing this ring. My grandfather's ring. Do not tell me what is possible. Tell me the truth. Too much to bear. That is not your choice to make. What happened? I promised the king to say nothing. I am your king now.
Nya merupah ramai.
Your uncle took a wardrobe assignment in America. Your father placed me there to attack. Unbeknownst to him, your uncle fell in love with an American woman. They had a child. A house. He saw there. Recognized your uncle. I observed for as long as the leaders have been assassinated. Communities flooded with drugs and weapons. They are openly policed and incarcerated. All over the planet, our people suffer because they don't have the tools to fight back. With vibranium weapons, they could overthrow every country and Wakanda could rule them all the right way. You knew your father would not support this. So, your uncle betrayed us. He helped Grom steal vibranium. You will return home at once, or you will face the council and inform them of your crimes. Intrude is back on me. Your father killed your brother to save my life. Speak nothing but listen. Richard.
Waduh.
Left him.
Oh, boleh aja.
We helped maintain the lie.
Tapi nak jarak. Lebih ya. Mai dah bang.
Kira ada. Kawan kan ini file.